Oh yeah, oh, let's make some quick aboro beans and yam. What did I say? Aboro beans and yam. Okay, oh, you start by frying your tomatoes. You add your blended onions. That's what I've just added. You turn, you stir, you add your Maggi cube. I use Knorr Maggi. Knorr, I use Knorr. Not cube seasoning. All right. Okay, let's keep going. You stir and stir and stir. After that, you allow it to cook for some time. After cooking for some time, you add your water. That is water. So when you don't add your water, oh, you keep cooking for a little while. This is aboro beans and yam. You add more water. More water. Okay. Oh. Why is the whole thing shaking? Okay. Oh. That is how you should shake into the fire. Okay, oh, everything is just moving upside down. Finally, you add your pre-cooked beans, washed pre-cooked beans. After adding your washed pre-cooked beans, you also stir or you turn them. Allow it to cook for some time. You cover your pot. Oh. Don't mind that you are not seeing me covering the pot. Oh. I covered it. Oh. Then you see it's moving upside down. It's shaking. Then you add your sliced onions. After adding your sliced onions, you also stir it a little. You turn small. After turning, you cover your pot. Oh, whether you see me covering it or not, you have to cover your pot and allow it to cook for some minutes. Oh, and allow the pot to shake small before you add your small salt for testing. To test, I mean, you add your salt and you test. Okay, oh. Don't mind all the mistakes. So after adding your sauce, you turn again, you stir it again, and you test it. If it is okay, if it is good for your taste bud, you cover the pot again and allow it to cook. Oh, it has to cook before you now add your sliced or chopped good yam. So this is me adding the yam inside the beans. So and you turn it again, oh, or you stir it, oh, you stir it, mix it together. Keep mixing, mix until you get a very good mixture as you are seeing it. So after mixing it, oh, you cover your pot again, but before then you add little water. Then you cover it and allow it to cook. It has to cook very well. The yam, all the mediment, everything has to be well cooked. After everything is now well cooked, oh, you take it down. It's now ready.